Hello, this is Sean Winters, Digital Coach for Union County. We're going to be working on using a add-on for sheets that's called the crop tool. And this is just a really nice little thing that I've really been using a lot here lately, so I just wanted to showcase that off. So, let me just show you what I have. Right now I just have what would be a generic spreadsheet thrown together with random names and stuff. And what I found is when I was working with students and stuff, if I was ever having them type in information, they'd start scrolling down and they'd lose their name, and then they would randomly like, well, my name's not on here, so I'm gonna add it in. And they're not even paying attention that they're on cell 49, and that's why they're not seeing their information. So with all these extra cells that are on here, that's a lot of used up space, and I know a lot of people would accidentally scroll off. So if you actually get the crop sheet add-on, and so if you go to add-ons and you just type in the word crop sheet, that's the one I'm using right now, and I really like this. It's a very simple tool, but if I say, okay, I want to give room where if I add extra students, and I know I got a few more assessments, I'm going to mark over here, and then I'll use my add-on, and I just say crop selection. You'll notice all the cells underneath of here have disappeared, and I reduced the amount that I'm using. Now if I know this is the exact amount I want to use and I've already got data filled in, you can actually do crop sheet data and it will clear off anything not being used. Now that doesn't mean I can't turn around and say insert right and put something back in, but this is just a nice way of cleaning up your spreadsheets and having it where, okay, I'm not going to accidentally scroll. In fact, I'm trying to scroll right now and it's not going anywhere. And same thing left to right, I'm not going to lose any data. So this is just really neat trick for kind of reducing the amount you're needing of your space. So let me know if there's anything I can do for you guys. Thank you again.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you would, please click the like button and subscribe so you can be up to date with any of our new videos. And thank you for watching.